I just wanted to make a quick video on those who go and download the Wealthy Delivery Calculator, which I'll leave a link in this video as well too. I just want to show you how this works a little bit more. I kind of glossed over it just a little quickly in my first videos, but now I just want to get a little bit more specific with my next videos I put out. So it'll probably be a lot shorter and just straight to the point. So just so you guys can follow along. But so this is my Wealthy Delivery Calculator. I guess this is how I calculate how much time is worth doing something like working at my job versus working for something for my own business. So as you guys know, most jobs, I'm gonna stick with the $20 an hour. Actually, let's do this. I'm gonna do it a little shorter because I have a lot of younger cousins who probably aren't making that much. So I'm gonna do this at a very low amount, and you guys can fill in your own numbers to see for yourself. But let's just say $10 an hour. Somebody works 40 hours a week, so and I did this for as if you work 7 days a week instead of like 40 hours a week. So for those who want to argue numbers or anything like that, but if you're here, you're probably not that big a deal. Because in your business, you make money every day. So that's why I did it that way. But so if you have a normal job, you work for $10 an hour, 40 hours a week, you're pretty much making $57 a day, $400 a week. $1,600 a month, almost $20,000 a year. Well, not even. If you do that I got out to the next 3 to 5 years, just so you know exactly how much money that would be, which you obviously can look at as not very much. I mean, you're talking about in 10 years, not even $200,000 when there's somebody making that a year easily. So, I mean, why not go for that? But obviously I don't want to get to that point yet. So I put in my goals, which I do now, $300. My goal is $300 a day. And I wanted to work 1 hour a day. So immediately, this is why it's easier to go for this than work hard and go for that, because that's $300 a day, $2,000 a week, $8,000 a month, $100,000 a year. Like, I mean, just you can see the difference of working really hard for this versus working super hard for this, and also having an hour, so you can see how much time you've given up as well. So think about, for the next 3 years, you only had to work 1,000 hours to make. Let's see what that was in 3 years. So 300,000 versus, so 1,000 hours make 300,000, where you're working over 1,000 hours in 1 year for your company. I mean, that's insane. So that's what I wanted to show in that part. Like I said, I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna probably go tab by tab for each video. So look out for the next video where we go over cost of living. And we kind of do the same thing, and you can even see for yourself and go ahead and play with it if you download this. But yeah, get in here and play with this thing, and I'll be dropping videos on this thing here. So just be on the lookout for that. All right.